So now we have a new question on the board. I am giving you three matrices. We are into exercise 2.3 right now. The question what is flashed on the board is from question 5. So we have to prove A into B plus C is AB plus AC. Now this is something what we have seen in normal algebra also. A into B plus C आप लोग bracket खोल के AB plus AC लिखते हो. No, that's called as distributive property. If at all we succeed proving this, then that means even matrices follows few rules of algebra. Now my suggestion to you all, if you are ready with your book and pen, is okay, let me act like an instructor to you for this no kind of questions. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप वीडियो में किसी को डीप डाइविंग करते देख रहे हो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. उससे ज़्यादा मज़ा कब आएगा? When you hold his hand and you deep dive into the ocean. So no, I would in this part of the lecture at least would like to act like an instructor. So when I start my sum, I would request you to pause the screen, copy that much part and solve for yourself. Then after that, we can check the answer. So I'll be moving along with you, but only thing my request is, now it's the time that you have to sit with me while solving the sums. And you also need to solve the sum simultaneously. तो ही होगा, नहीं तो it's very difficult कि ये देख देख के हो जाएगा. Multiplication onwards से matrices में you have to solve along with the video. So to start with the sum, I'll pick up my RHS. RHS में I have to work out AB plus AC. So I'll work out AB first. टुकड़े में solve कर लेगा. I'll just put the heading कि I'm solving RHS side. उसमें से I'll be first picking up my AB. So what I request you now is pause the screen, copy your AB matrix and you start multiplying. For me to give you the start, 1 second, do not pause the screen please. Let us say it's 4 minus 2, 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 3, minus 2. Once again a reminder how you are going to go for it. First of all you are going to open 2 rows because my first matrix has got 2 rows. Now it's going to be R1, C1, then R1, C2, then R2, C1. Let's try orally R1, C1. R1, C1. So it's going to be minus 4, minus 6. Then you move to R1, C2, it's going to be 4 and plus 4. So I'll just clean up. We start together. You need to pause the screen. You need to pause the screen right now. Copy your AB matrix and start. So now if you have finished off your part of solving AB, let's check it आपने सही किया है कि नहीं and expecting everybody का answer आया होगा. I'm going for R1 C1 is going to be minus 4 minus 6. I'll go a bit quick because आप लोग ने solve कर लिया है. Is going to be R1 C2, so 4 plus 4 is going to be R2 C1 minus 2 plus 9 R2 C2, the last 2 minus 6. So the final answer goes, the matrix contains minus 10, 8, 7, minus 4. Let me just go for it. Yeah, please check your AB. So expecting everybody must have got AB. I'll just copy my AB ka answer over here because I need to clean up my space for my next part. Minus 10 हम टुकड़े में solve कर रहे हैं. I will preserve my answers on the board. Expecting कि सबका answers यही आया होगा. Now we pick up the next part. We are into RHS. We just finished off one part of it, AB. Now let's work out for AC. So once again I request everybody, after starting AC you just need to pause the screen, copy your AC matrix and start working on it. And then you come back to see the answer matches or not. So I expect everybody right now, you must have paused your screen and you must have started solving your AC. Chalo. Let's see आपके answers आए होंगे कि नहीं. So I am working out my AC. I'll be a bit quick. 16 minus 4, that was my R1 C1. Now R1 C2, it's going to be 4 plus 2. Moving to second row, R2 goes with C1, 8 plus 6, R2 C2. So it's 2 minus 3. So my answer is going 12, 14, 6 and minus 1. I hope you must have got the same answer. So once again I'll copy my AC matrix over here. You need not do that. I need to do it because I need to repeat my AB plus AC part over here. So I need to clean that space. So now we finish off RHS. We found AB, we found AC. We yet need to finish off AB plus AC. So I'll just copy my answers over here. It was minus 10, 8, 7, minus 4. Now this you can do while you are solving the exercise. No need to go for addition subtraction. के लिए pause the screen. No, that is going to hinder the speed of your learning. So it's going to be 2. No, adding the corresponding elements. 8 plus 6, 14. 7 plus 14, 21. And minus 4, minus 1, minus 5. So finally I would write over here my RHS ends at answer 2, 14, 21, minus 5. That's again time you need to get ready for our LHS. So I'll just guide you through that. We are into now LHS, wherein LHS reads A into B plus C. So let me copy the matrix, then I'll give you the instruction. 4 minus 2, 2, 3. And then in the curly brackets, I need to write my B and C. Minus 1, 1, 3, minus 2. Plus 4, 1, 2, minus 1. Now I would request pause the screen right now. And you need to do what? Add the two matrices and then multiply with this. So let's see क्या किया होगा आपने. First we need to add the matrices. So minus 1 plus 4, that's going to become 3. 1 plus 1, that's going to become 2. 3 plus 2, 5. And minus 2 minus 1, that's going to be minus 3. So that matrix is gone. And I'll dissolve my curly brackets also. Now you must have went for multiplication. So let's see answer match हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. R1 C1. So it's going to be 12 minus 10. R1 C2. 8 plus 6. R2 C1. 6 plus 15. And R2 C2. 4 minus 9. So that's going to be 2. That's going to be 14. That's going to be 21 and that's going to be minus 5. I hope सबको बहुत खुशी हुई होगी because the answer right now seems to be matched. If you see the two matrices in the board, A into B plus C has matched with AB plus AC. So just conclude writing LHS is equal to RHS. And once again I would like to highlight this property we have been seeing from बचपन से algebra का property है. It's called as distributive property. So even matrices follows few rules of algebra except one. Just need to remind you. कुछ मिनट पहले I just said कि AB is equal to BA in algebra. आप 2 into 3 करो, 3 into 2 करो, आंसर सेम आता है. But not in matrices. Matrices में few minutes back we just saw that AB is not equal to BA. To the extent AB may exist and BA may not. Or BA may exist and AB may not. Just to remind you of that. So that's the next question. We need to prove A into BC is equal to AB into C. Similar like in algebra also we have got this kind of stuff. In matrix multiplication also we have got the same thing. Now this property is called as associative property. But right now did not remember, we need to first prove that thing. So when I start my LHS, I hope you all are ready with your book and pen. But stop. Please on the board right now. I start with A into BC. But then to fill in the full thing, it's better कि we go for थोड़ा टुकड़ास करके. So LHS में we first start with BC and then we'll multiply with A. So BC में you copy the B and C ka matrix. Now that's the point where I'm asking you to pause the screen, copy the matrix, finish off the multiplication, then come back into the video. You have to. ये देख के मजा नहीं आएगा. You need to solve along with me. Please remember this video will be only useful to you only if you are going to solve along with me. I just want to play right now at this moment as an instructor to you. Multiplication में देख के नहीं आएगा. You have to solve it. So please start solving your BC part. So now I hope you all must have finished off solving BC part. Let's check हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. R1 with C1. It's a long one. R1 C1. So it's going to be minus 2 minus 3 plus 0. Now R1 with C2. So it's going to be 1 plus 1 plus 4. Now coming to R2. R2C1. So it's going to be 0, minus 3, plus 0. Then R2C2. It's going to be 0, plus 1, plus 6. 0, plus 1, plus 6. So your answer should be minus 5, minus 3, 6, 7. I hope you all must have got this answer. Now I'll be pushing my BC ka answer over there because I need to work out. Remember, we have just finished off one part of LHS. We need to work out ABC. So this matrix has to be pre-multiplied with your A. So वो करने से पहले I'll just shift my answer BC का there. Just a second please everybody. I'll copy my BC ka answer over here. Minus 5. Just preserving my answers. So now LHS mein we have just finished our working BC. So now we start with ABC. So I have brought my A matrix, I have brought my BC from that corner, and now I ask you to copy this two matrix and work out before you go आगे का video में. So it's R1 C1 minus 5 minus 6, then R1 C2, so it's 6 plus 14. It's R2 C1 minus 20 minus 9. Hope यही होगा आप लोग का भी. R2 C2, it's going to be 24 plus 21. So it's going to be minus 11. It's going to be 20 minus 29, and we have got 45. I would be hoping everybody का answer यही होगा. So I'll just copy my A into BC का answer over here. My LHS का answer has turned out minus 11, 20, minus 29, 45. Now we move to RHS. Now we are moving to RHS. Similar to what we have done in LHS, again in RHS I am not going to solve the full thing together. We first solve AB part over here. And the same request to you all. Now once you start AB, you need to pause your screen and finish off AB, and then you come back to video. Please follow the instruction and please work. So now, proceeding R1 C1. I'll go a bit quick. 1 plus 0, minus 1 minus 2. R1 C3, it's 2 plus 6. Then coming to R2, R2 C1, 4 plus 0. R2 C2, it's minus 4 minus 3. R2 C3, it's going to be 8 plus 9. So it's going to be 1, minus 3, 8, 4, minus 7, 17. I do understand by now if you have strictly followed the instruction and you have started solving multiplication ke itne sums, your answer must be matching. So I'll just shift my answer of AB over there so that we can then work out AB into C over here. So I'll copy my AB ka answer on this side. 1, you need not do that because आपको तो vertical follow करना है आपके book में. I just need space over there to finish off my next part of the solution. So now after having done your AB part, we finish off AB into C. So I have copied my AB matrix from there, which you also must have solved, and now multiplying with C matrix. So since 2 rows in the first matrix, I open up 2 rows ka brackets over here. Let's start R1 C1. I expect you must have finished off solving this part of the question also. Minus 2, minus 9 plus 0. Going for R1 C2. So it's 1 plus 3 plus 16. Now R2 C1. Minus 8 minus 21 plus 0. R2 C2. So it's 4 plus 7 plus 34. So finally that's minus 11, 4 plus 16, 20, that's minus 29, and this is 11 and 34, 45. बहुत बहुत relief सा feel होता है when you happen to see such a long solution with so many tricky multiplications. Your answer of A into BC over there, as you can all see, is matching with this answer. So we, with a big heart, we need to write LHS is equal to RHS with love. So our next question coming from exercise 2.3, it's question 10. They give us a small matrix A and then they ask us to prove that A square minus 5A plus 7I is a zero matrix. Zero matrix का मतलब है all the elements inside the matrix need to be zero. So ये अपना ultimate answer आना चाहिए. Now similar to the previous sum, I would like to solve first A square. Now when I start with A square, which even you are going to start, as what we have decided, all small parts you are going to solve by pausing the screen and then you come back into the video to check the answers. Stop once again. Now before I give you the instruction, many people feel that A square का मतलब है square all the elements. No, please don't do that. A square is A into A. So you need to multiply your matrix A with the same matrix A. So it's going to be 3, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 1, minus 1, 2. And then you finish off your multiplication. Now you pause your screen, finish off the multiplication and come back please. Let's see क्या आया होगा. So I am finishing off my multiplication, hoping you all must have done the same. 9 minus 1, that was R1 C1, now R1 C2, 3 plus 2, R2 C1 minus 3 minus 2, R2 C2, so it's minus 1 plus 4. So it's going to be 8, 5, minus 5 and 3. So I'll copy my A square ka answer. You need not. I just copy my answer A square ka over here because I need to finish off my last part of the sum over here. So I copy 8, 5. Now you must be used to, okay, in between ka jo bhi sums ka answer hai, I'll be copying on this side. For my sake. Now we open up our LHS. Now before I start putting my matrix, I would just like to recap wo I ke bare mein. No, I had explained you in the first lecture of my introduction. What is I? It's a unit matrix. If I am going for I2, it's 2 by 2 because all the matrices over here, the A square, they all are 2 by 2. So even I has to be 2 by 2 matrix. It's 1, 0, 0, 1. Now that day, first lecture, we had seen that I3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That was I3. Now this is I2. They didn't write I2. We need to understand it has to be I2, it has to be 2 by 2 ka matrix because all of the matrices are 2 by 2 ka matrix in that equation. So even I has to be 2 by 2 ka matrix. Once again the I needs to be 1, 0, 0, 1. So now we start our LHS. We bring in A square, I bring in from my that corner of the board. 8, 5 minus, now this you need not work, you just be on the video please right now. 5, 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Plus 7, I brought my A over here. I matrix is my 1, 0, 0, 1. Now this kind of sums we have done a lot in our 2.2 exercise. We need to push our 5 inside first. So 5 will be multiplied with all the elements. 15, we had 3 over there. 5, minus 5, 10. The 5 is gone. Similarly, you push your 7 inside. So it's going to be 7, 0, 0, 7, 7 gone. And now the last step, we finish off the addition subtraction between the corresponding elements. So it's going to be 8 minus 15 plus 7, 5 minus 5 plus 0, minus 5 plus 5 plus 0. I am adding subtracting the corresponding. So if I am going for that, it's that and that one please. And last is 3 minus 10 plus 7, 3 minus 10 plus 7. So I can see it's 15 minus 15, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, minus 5 plus 5, 0, and 3 plus 7, 10, minus 10, 0. So we got our 0 matrix and hence we say it's proved. Now we have picked up a question 9. If you must be seeing a similar question was question 10, but in that we were supposed to prove that. If you see over here, they are giving me A square minus 8A minus Ki0. We are not supposed to prove it. They have given me that equation. And then they want me to find K in that. So before we put our hand on this sum, start will be the same. we need to find out a square first. If you want to work on this equation, you need to find a square. So I expect everybody right now must have paused the screen and must have started for finding a square. Stop, a square बोलेगा तो square नहीं कर देना. Once again I repeat, a square is nothing but what? A into A. So you need to multiply the matrix with itself. So copy the matrix 2 times and start multiplying, please. So if you all are back, let's see answers क्या आए थे. It's R1 C1, so it's 1 minus 0. R1 C2, 0 plus 0. R2 C1, it's going to be minus 1 minus 7. And R2 C2, it's going to be 0 plus 49. Sorry, excitement में बड़ा 9 लिख दिया. So that's going to be 1, that's going to be 0, that's going to be 49, and this is going to be minus 8. So before I proceed, I'll just copy my a square का answer. Now you all must be used to मैं इधर जब मूव होता तो क्या कर रहा हूँ. I'm just trying to preserve my answer, creating space for my आगे का sum. So that's my answer for a square. Okay. So now we start working on the equation. Once again to remind you, we are not supposed to prove it. ये उन्होंने दिया है. We just need to fill in the things and we need to work for k. We have to find k in that. So bringing my a square ka answer from that side, 1 0 minus 8 49 minus 8, filling in a matrix over here, 1 0 minus 1 7 minus k into I matrix. Now everybody must be knowing I matrix kya hai. It's 1 0 0 1. The diagonal all are 1. It's equal to, prove नहीं करना है, दिया है. So the equation says RHS में मेरे पास null matrix है. It's 0 0 0 0. Okay, now same thing. We push our 8 inside. So inside it will be 8 minus 8 56. The 8 is gone. We push our k inside. We multiply all the elements by k. So it's going to be k k. Now last step. Let's finish off subtracting the corresponding elements. It's going to be 1 minus 8 minus k. 1 minus 8 minus k. Next element is going to be 0 minus 0 minus 0. So I'll write the full thing. Minus 8 plus 8 minus 0. Check that. It's minus 8 plus 8 minus 0. Minus 8 plus 8 minus 0. Last is 49 coupled with minus 56, and coming over here it's minus k. That needs to be equated to, remember सामने के side पे 0 matrix है. Previous sum में we were supposed to prove, so we went LHS RHS, but this is equation based sum wherein you have to work the full equation and find the missing term in that. So this is minus 7 minus k. I hope you all saw that. It's 0. Even that goes 0. This is minus 7 minus k. If you remember my first exercise 2.3, we had equality of two matrices. Right now we can see on the board this matrix is equal to that matrix. So we say by equality of matrices, we can equate the elements, corresponding elements. I equate this to this or this to this. You understand it's one and the same. So it's minus 7 minus k equated to 0. So finally minus 7 is equal to k. My answer goes k equal to minus 7. Okay, this question I have picked up from the solved example. It's solved example 2, which you will find in page 53 of your new state board textbook. Now they have given me matrix A and they are asking me to work out a square minus 5a, and the answer has to be a scalar matrix. Just to remind you, how does a scalar matrix look like? I had given you the small introduction about that. Now, all the non-diagonal elements, if you remember, they all are zeros. And then the diagonal elements all are equal. No, I did happen to say 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2. If it goes 1, then we said it was unit matrix. But right now, if it is a scalar matrix, we just need to show that the end answer of a square minus 5a has to look like that. So if we can get answer this way, we can say it's proved by definition the matrix what we got is a scalar matrix. So to start with, once again, Rather working the full thing together, as you all know, we'll be working a square first. A square, by now I think nobody watching this video will be making a mistake of squaring all the terms. He or she will be going for a into a, so you'll be pausing your screen and finishing off. But 1 second, do not pause the screen. Let me give you a quick initial few R into C column, and then you start. Please don't stop the video. Let me give you the start and then you pause it. So R1 C1 थोड़ा बड़ा है ना, तो मैं start देता हूँ, then you all start solving. R1 C1, so it's going to be 1 plus 9 plus 9. No, यहाँ पे I बहुत perfectly still रहना चाहिए. R1 C2 is going to be 3 plus 3 plus 9. R1 C3 is going to be 3 plus 9 plus 3. Let me give you one more. R2 के साथ, let's go R2 C1. So it's 3 plus 3 plus 9. Your eyes have to be stable on the row and column what you are multiplying. Else you are going to go wrong in many elements. R2 C2, last shot before you all start. R2 C2. So 9 plus 1 plus 9. So now I request you pause the screen, copy the matrix, multiply and then you come back to me. So if you all have solved, let's see क्या आंसर आया होगा. R1 C1, you must have opened up 3 rows. R1 C1, so it's 1 plus 9 plus 9. R1 C2, so it's going to be 3 plus 3 plus 9. R1 C3, so it's going to be 3 plus 9 plus 3. You need to keep checking in your book ये आंसर आया है कि नहीं आया है. R2 C1, एक एक एलिमेंट चेक कर लो. R2 C1, 3 plus 3 plus 9. R2 C2, it's 9 plus 1 plus 9. R2 C3, it's 9 plus 3 plus 3. Check, check, check please. Check the answer what you have got. R3 C1, 3 plus 9 plus 3. R3 C2, 9 plus 3 plus 3. And the last shot, R3 C3, 9 plus 9 plus 1. So check. Finally, that should be going 19, 6 and 9, 15, 6 and 9, 15, 6 and 9, 15, 19, 6 and 9, 15, 6 and 9, 15, 15, 19. आंसर अगर मैच हुआ होगा तो बहुत खुशी हो गया होगा, कूदना शुरू कर दिया होगा. सम खत्म नहीं हुआ अभी तक. a square minus 5a, you need to work out the full thing. So I'll copy this answer over here. a square का आंसर मेरा आ गया है 19, 15, 15, 15, 19, 15, 15, 15, 19. Okay. So we start a square minus 5a and I just brought my a square matrix from that corner and a matrix from here. Now, before we finish off subtraction, I think we need to push our 5 inside. So multiplying all the elements by 5. So it's 5, 15, 15. Once again I repeat, we are multiplying all the elements by 5, 15, 5, 15. Of course, you'll be doing in the next step. 15, 15, 5 and the 5 is gone. Now last step, subtract the corresponding elements. Abhi almost similar hai, so I'll just finish off over here. It's 19 minus 5, 14, 15, 15, 0, 15 minus 15, 0, 15 minus 15, 0, 19 minus 5, 14, आ रहा है, आंसर आ रहा है. 15 minus 15, 0, it's 0, 15 minus 15, 0 and 19 minus 5, 14. I think you all can see it has taken a shape of a scalar matrix. I remind you, scalar matrix mein all the diagonal elements have to be equal, non-diagonal need to be 0. So we say it's a scalar matrix by definition. Did not bother definition क्या है, लिख के छोड़ जाओ. scalar matrix by definition, and then we say it's proved with love. So the next question coming from same exercise 2.3, it's question 7, which you'll find on page 56. Now I have been given A plus I matrix, but the product what they are asking me to take is A plus I into A minus I. Now मैं रुक क्यों गया हूँ? I have A plus I with me, I don't have A minus I with me. Now just imagine in algebra you have A plus 1 with you and somebody says no, get me A minus 1. So just subtract 2 from that, it's going to become A minus 1. So what I am requesting you all is, from A plus I you can always find A minus I. How? A plus I में से अगर आप minus 2I कर लो तो just tell me क्या रह जाएगा. It's going to be A minus I. And once we find that, we can then commence the product A plus I into A minus I. So my first target in the solution will be what? Finding A minus I. So I start A minus I. How we are going to get that? We have A plus I with us, and from that I subtract 2I. So let's bring in our A plus I matrix. 1, 2, 0, 5, 4, 2, 0, 7, minus 3, minus 2, I has to be 3 by 3 because ये 3 by 3 matrix है. I hope I matrix अब आता होगा 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. To finish off, you need to push your 2 inside. Let's finish off quickly. It's 2, 2, 2. And then subtraction will be 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 0, 2, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0 keeps it 5, 4 minus 2 makes it 2, 2 minus 0 that leaves you 2, 0 minus 0 stays as it is, 7 minus 0 is going to be 7 itself, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. So I am done with my A minus I. Now before I proceed, I need to push my answer A minus I on this side of the board. A minus I. Now you all need to be ready with your books because product आएगा अभी. If you are not doing it, I really feel sorry for all of you who are not doing it, please. Multiplication onwards से matrices साथ में ही कर सकते हैं. If you are watching, so now since we have already found A minus I, let's start with what they have asked us to find. A plus I into A minus I. So I have brought my A plus I matrix, what they had given me in the question, and A minus I what I have found on the left side of the corner of the board. So I hope you must have paused your screen, copy the two matrices. Remember please, today ka lecture or from here on many times you will have to go pause, work, resume. That's the way we learn matrices in classroom, and so you need to adopt the same system when you are watching the video also. So if you all are done with your multiplication, let me check. हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? R1 C1. So it's minus 1 plus 10 plus 0. Expecting आपका भी यही आया होगा. R1 C2. 2 plus 4 plus 0. R1 C3. So it's 0 plus 4 plus 0. R2 C1. Minus 5 plus 20 plus 0. R2 C2. I is fixed होना चाहिए था when you are multiplying R into C. No, your eyes have to be fixed on this R and this C. So it's going to be 10 plus 8 plus 14. R2 C3. 0 plus 8 minus 10. Now last row R3 C1. 0 plus 35 minus 0. R3 C2. So it's 0 plus 14 minus 21. R3 C3. 0 plus 14 R3 C3. 0 plus 14 plus 15. So finally the answer should be reading, your answer should be reading 9, 6, 4, 15, it's 22 and 10, 32, that's 8 minus 10 minus 2, that's 35, that's 14 minus 21 minus 7, and 14 plus 15, that's 29. I hope quite a few of you must have got the same answer. एक आध दो element wrong गया तो please don't no cry on that. इतना बड़ा question में when you are beginning with the multiplication or still novice to the multiplication, it is quite going to happen if few elements are going to go wrong. Only thing I just request you, when I am on, you need to be on in your book. So this videos actually I am acting like an instructor to you. So please follow the instructions and keep working when I am asked you to multiply the two matrices. This is question 13 from exercise 2.2. I think the question seems to be quite simple. You are supposed to find the elements of that matrix xy. Let's start with the curly brackets. Just need to push your 4 inside. Now this sum I would prefer that you see the video and next sum will start together. So in this video I think so you're not supposed to pause anywhere. Let's see one complete sum. Pushing 4 inside, it's like multiplying all the elements with 4. So we have got minus 4, 12, 4, 8. The 4 is gone. Now let's finish off subtraction. So it's 8 minus 3, 5. Minus 4 plus 3. Now you need to play safe when it's subtraction. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. 12 minus 4 it's 8. 4 minus 2, 2. 0 minus 1 minus 1, 8 minus 1 is 7, and then multiply with 2 minus 1, 1. Now this here I am not insisting you to stop your video. Let me finish off with this sum and the next sum we'll see, we'll do it together. So now last step, we need to multiply the matrix. Again I'll be having two rows over here. R1, C1, it's going to be 10 plus 1 plus 8. By now everybody must be comfortable multiplying the two matrices. Mistakes होते होंगे लेकिन comfort zone आ गया होगा. R2 C1, so it's going to be 4 plus 1 plus 7 and that's equal to सामने का matrix x comma y. So it's going to be 19. It's going to be 12. So finally we can say since the two matrices are equal, if you remember we need to mention by equality of two matrices. Do not forget please, by equality of two matrices, we can easily put down the x is 19 and the y is 12. Now when I come to the next question, when I copy that, I would insist that you also copy the question and then I'll give you instructions, you follow that, finish off the sum and then you resume the video. We are now on question 14 of exercise 2.3 and it is a very much similar sum like our previous sum which I said okay, you need to solve with me. So my request is right now you need to pause the screen, copy the question. After you copied the question, please 1 second. After you copied the question, I think the steps will be very easy which you need to work out and then you're going to come back to the video. You need to push your 3 inside, multiply all the elements by 3, 4 inside, multiply, then perform the subtraction, dissolve your curly brackets. Then we'll be left with what? We'll be left with this kind of structure to be multiplied with 1 comma 2 over here. So that matrix you're going to go for multiplying with 1, 2 and then we equate it with samne ka matrix and we make equations, we'll be able to find x, y, z in that. So I would prefer that you need to work out the sum and then you come back to video. You have done it? Let's see. 3 multiply kya hoga? 6, 6, 6 and 6. 4 multiply kya hoga? 4, 4 minus 4, 8, 12, 4. Then you must have finished off subtraction. 6 minus 4, that's 2. 0 minus 4 minus 4. Hope आपका भी आया होगा. 0 plus 4. I hope wrong नहीं गए होगे. 6 minus 8 minus 2. 6 minus 12 minus 6. 6 minus 4, that's 2. And then we need to multiply this matrix with 1 comma 2. Few of you must have finished off that also. If you're not, then you know what you're supposed to do. Pause the video, work it out and come back. So going again, we are multiplying R1 with C1, the last step before we equate the elements. So it's going to be R1 C1, so it's 2 minus 8, R1 C1. R2, next row, R2 C2, sorry R2 C1, 4 minus 4. R3 coming to third row, so here also you need to come to third row. R3 C1 minus 6 plus 4. So finally, You're left over here with minus 6, 0, minus 2. And you know what we are supposed to do now? By equality of two matrices, the two matrices are equal, so we need to equate the elements. So by equality of two matrices, we happen to write x minus 3 is minus 6, which gives me x is equal to minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. The next 0 is equal to y minus 1, so my y is equal to 1. And the last minus 2 is 2z. Minus 2 is equal to 2z. So finally the z is equal to minus 1. Then I would prefer that in the last answer you please make that way answer. The interval set is x ka value minus 3, comma y ka value, comma, this is what you used to do in school. After finding x, y, z ka answer, you used to always make a solution interval for yourself in the answer. Before I go aage in this topic, I would just like to share with you few things. Now even before I started delivering video lectures, I used to watch few video lectures for my sake. And the only problem what I used to find in those video lectures as a student, I used to pretend that I am a student when I am watching that video. So they used to teach well. They used to teach everything concept wise, they used to explain the sums. But then that was not virtual class coaching. Like they assume कि the student सामने जो बैठा है वो सीख लेगा और बाद में वो अपना शाम को बैठ के वो solve कर लेगा. But in my video I would insist that should not be the case. While we are solving the sum, that is why I keep continuously telling you pause the screen, solve it and come back into the video. Now I want to create a virtual classroom over here. So when I am facing the camera, I do understand I am facing many students out there who are abiding by what I am saying. So in matrices by now many must have got it कि ये देख के कुछ मजा नहीं आ रहा है. माने it's exactly what I was telling you earlier कि आप किसी को ocean में dive करते देखता है, देखने को मजा आ रहा है. लेकिन till you don't dare to do that thing, you are not going to enjoy that thrill. So please students, I request you आगे जाने से पहले stick to the basics. When I am solving and I ask you to solve, please solve that very moment. And before we move to next exercise, make it a rule that you finish off your previous exercise full in your book. Now that creates a full atmosphere of virtual class, as if we are having a real lecture in the classroom. And I used to, in my classroom, I used to make my students do it very compulsory. So my request to you, please abide by the rules. So last 2-3 sums left in this exercise 2.3. Now that's a sum which is not from your current textbook, it is from my previous syllabus. I just got it because we have got only one sum of this nature right now in the new textbook. So I just got one extra sum from my previous textbook. Now here as you can see they are giving us matrix A and B and they are asking us to prove A plus B the whole square equal to so. So if I don't say anything and if I allow you to start working, then I think so everybody is going to do what? On the LHS side, please don't do it. On LHS side, you are going to work out A plus B first. You are going to add the matrix, make your A plus B, and for A plus B the whole square, of course you are not going to square it. We are going to go for A plus B into A plus B. So that's going to take half a page and answer aa jayega. Then having done with your LHS, you are going to work your RHS in 3 tukda. You are going to work your A square out, A into A, that's one multiplication. Then having done that, you are going to move to AB. That's one more multiplication. This is a rough sketch I am showing you. This is what you would have done if I have said nothing in this sum. And lastly, you would have worked out your B square, which is B into B, and again you have got for one more multiplication. So almost 1.5 page long sum is not yet over. You finish off finding A square, AB, B square, and finally you need to add all of them. And then we need to pray to God कि अपना LHS और RHS इतना बड़ा लेबर होने के बाद आंसर मैच हो जाए. But actually there is something more to that. Rather solving such a big sum, I'll show you something. ये देख के सब लोग खुश हो जाएगा. Just stay in the video please right now. Now when they ask me to prove this, so let me open this bracket. A plus B into A plus B. It's equal to A square plus AB. I'll just stop over here. What I showed you was if we don't say anything, you would have gone by that method, a long method, almost a 2-page long method, so many multiplications involved. I'm showing you some short trick method over here. Proving proving the first thing is as good as proving this. Everybody would agree a plus b the whole square is a plus b into a plus b. Now let's open this bracket. It's going to be a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. Remember, a and b are matrices, is equal to a square plus ab plus b square. Now a b b a अगर algebra होता तो a b b a आप ऐड करके 2ab बोलते हैं, you would have got your a plus b का whole square का formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. Please don't do that over here. It's matrix multiplication. I did say in the earlier lecture that it's not commutative. So ab is not equal to ba. We saw in few examples ab exists, ba may not. So please, you cannot add the two matrices ab ba assuming they are equal. So now proceeding आगे, if I have to prove this, then a square, so it's gone, cancelling a square on both sides, cancelling b square on both sides, cancelling ab on both sides. So I just need to prove ba equal to 0. So rather going for a 2-page long sum, I would have just finished off my sum proving that ba equal to 0, which almost takes only half a page ka space. So in place of proving that, we just need to prove, and even if you have a rough glance at all these things, no, a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus ab plus b square. Now few students do remember a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. So the only term missing is the ba. That means the ba was a null matrix. So they come down to this point directly. But we work it out. Now once again, quick rush. We are not going to prove what they are saying us to prove. We'll just simplify that thing. We'll come down to the last point and we'll prove that thing over here. So working quickly, proving the first statement is as good as proving this. Then again, we open the brackets over here. It's a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. It's equal to a square plus ab plus b square, cancelling a square. One more time I will remind you, a, b, b, a, they are not equal. It's matrix multiplication and a, b is not equal to b a in general. So a square cut, b square cut, a, b cut. So that means you are just supposed to prove, in place of proving that, you can see that you are just supposed to prove what? ba equal to 0. So we just need to work out ba and we need to show it's a null matrix. So finally, we say, we prove, TPT means we prove that BA is equal to, you need to show all the steps. I just removed few steps so that I get space to finish off my sum. So now we start BA. 4386 B आएगा, then A 39 minus 4 minus 12. So now it's 12 minus 12, R1 C1, 12 minus 12. It's 36 minus, it's R1 C2, 36 minus 36. I think now you must be quite good in that. R2 C1, it's 24 minus 24. And the last, R2 C2, it's 72 minus 72. So finally I can see my matrix 0 over here. So by proving BA 0, we have proved the upper ka thing a plus b the whole square is equal to a square. So few students who have not seen this sum, they may turn up doing a big laborious sum, almost a page and a half ka long sum. But if you have seen that, you can simplify and come down to this version and prove only that much. So now, based on that, I will solve the last sum which was of similar type in our now ka new textbook. So now we pick up the question which we have now right now in the new textbook. They are giving me matrix A and B, and as you all can see, matrix B mein we have got two unknown elements A, B. We are supposed to find A and B. They are giving you that condition. Once again, like the previous one, I would not like to work on this. Let's simplify and see we'll have to work on what. So A plus B the whole square, as we all know, it's going to be A plus B into A plus B, which in the next step you are going to write it as A square plus AB plus BA plus B square. I hope nobody is thinking how. It's no bracket opening equal to A square plus B square. Now cancelling A square, B square on both the sides, I am left with AB plus BA equal to 0. So I request everybody, rather working on that equation, it is more easy if we work on the new simplified version, which is AB plus BA equal to 0. I just removed it because I need space to work out that many multiplications. So now once again I'll request to be ready with your paper pen. Now first it's now we have simplified to that, so we'll be working on that. So we have got two multiplications right now on the board. We have got to work out AB and we have to work out BA also. So when I start AB, I would prefer you pause the screen and you also do it for yourself. That's what we had spoken about few minutes ago. Like in all my sums, as we have decided, we are going to do parts and parts. Even when we are going to solve that thing, we work AB first, we work out B, and then we'll add it and we'll equate it to the null matrix. So if you must have done your AB, we can check it on the board right now. It's 2 minus 2. It's A plus 2B. Coming to R2 going with C1, it's minus 2 plus 2. And R2 last with C2, it's minus A minus 2B. So finally I have got 0 over here and over here also 0. So as usual I'll copy my AB matrix over here, which I'll be needing it later on. So it's 0. I do hope that everybody must have got this simple multiplication correct. Now next we work on BA. So you can pause your screen and you can start copying your BA. It's BA. So you need to copy your B matrix first and then followed by A. नहीं तो BA में भी AB solve कर लिया. So first your B matrix. Please, I would request you pause your screen and start solving. And then you come back to check answer आया कि नहीं आया. So if you all have done it, let's check. R1 with C1, it's going 2 minus A. R1 with C2, it's going 4 minus 2A. R2 with C1, it's going minus 1 minus B. And R2 with C2, it's going minus 2 minus 2B. So once again, I'll copy my BA matrix over here. And then we come down to final equation. It's 2 minus A, 4 minus 2A. I do understand most of you must have got the same answer. अभी तो आना चाहिए, इतना multiplication साथ में किया है. So I do expect such small kind of multiplications you are going to hit it right. So now we pick up what we had decided. We are going to work on that. So let's bring in our matrices. AB, it's 0, A plus 2B, 0, minus A minus 2B. To be added with BA, which also I am getting it from there. 2 minus A, 4 minus 2A, minus 1 minus B, minus 2 minus 2B. It's equal to 0 matrix, and the matrix contains all the elements 0. So let's finish off addition over here. 0 with that, 2 minus A, now it's going to be A plus 2B plus 4 minus 2A. Again 0 to be added with this, minus 1 minus B, minus A minus 2B to be added with minus 2 minus 2B. That is equal to सामने का matrix 0. यहाँ तो कुछ नहीं है, but here I can see we can simplify that thing. A minus 2A, you can make it minus A. So the term left is minus A plus 2B plus 4. Here also minus 2B minus 2B, you can make it minus 4B. So now it's time we equate the elements. So we say by equality of two matrices, or by equality of matrices, pick up two simple equations which you can. 2 minus A equated to 0. So I'll do it over here. 2 minus A equated to 0. My A becomes 2. So I got one variable. Likewise, you can equate your this element to 0. Minus 1 minus B equal to 0. So again I get B equal to minus 1. So my answer is A is 2 and B is minus 1. But still, there is something more you can do to this. Now you got your answer of A and B by equating two simple elements. Now what you can do is, if you want to check the answer is correct hai ki nahi, or if you want to check the elements what you have got by so much of multiplication addition wo correct hai ki nahi, try to insert A and B ka values in that and see ke satisfy ho raha hai ki nahi. As we all know, this equation also has to become 0. So put your A ka value in that. That you can do by pencil in your rough. Minus 2 B ka value. This is I am checking the answer right now. My sum is over. Minus 4 plus 4, that is 0. Seems to be correct. Element seems to be correct, the value seems to be correct. Still one more confirmation we can go for. We can put A2 over here. B, I will just remind you, sum is long back over. We are just trying to check the elements over here, left out elements by putting A and B का values के A and B का value correct है कि नहीं है, comma elements जो हमने इतनी मेहनत से लाया वो correct है कि नहीं है. So we are putting the values of A and B in that. Over here B is -1, so that's going to become +4. So we have got -2, -4, +4, even that's going to be 0. So we checked it and we got it, okay, the values are correct, comma also the multiplication seems to be correct. Now exercise as such 2.3 is over, but no, the last sum which I had just solved, I just would like to make my point very clear over here. Now let us say if they give me prove this, or they give me, it's given to us this way, work out for your other variables A and B. Now please don't work on that, you need to simplify that. So one more last time before I close this exercise, A plus B into A plus B, then we open the bracket, A square plus AB plus BA plus B square, and that's equal to A square plus BA plus B square. Now one more old point which I would like to highlight, AB, BA, please do not add, they are not equal. Now last, you can cut your A square on both the sides, you can cut your B square on both the sides, your B also is gone. So finally you are supposed to prove what? Not this full thing which takes almost 2 pages, only AB equal to 0, which may not even take half a page. So please remember, whether prove or given, simplify the statement, come down to that small thing and then work on that.